Greetings, viewers. Thanks for joining me out in the garage today with Slim. Oswald's around here somewhere. Got my new helmet, my new thinking toque on, my pondering hat, whatever you want to call it, my brain bucket. You'll see me wearing them out wheeling from now on. I got a cooler one, I'll show you. This will be the shop helmet. Now, reason for helmet, without suffering an injury, suffered a huge blood clot in my brain. And I'm going to gross you out here real quick. If you can see that, they kind of had to cut my head open and take that out. But I'm doing really well and should be fully recovered. But I can't suffer damage to the noggin in the meantime. So when I'm working under cars and shit, I will be having my helmet on. Now, to keep my Tundra looking good while I'm wheeling, I picked this little ditty up. Has goggles to go across the top. I might put them on later. My head should go mostly back to normal. My functions should all go mostly back to normal. Probably won't see a whole lot of wrenching and stuff for a couple of weeks. All right, that took for freaking ever. Like I say, the glasses will make it cool. I'm super happy to still be alive, have my kitty, have my dog, have the love of my friends and family and support. Yeah, I might lose my train here and there. I'll have some more videos coming right up. I plan to have some more wheeling videos real soon. I really like this helmet. If the helmet continues to be a thing, some interesting skull caps, and I gotta have a leather one. All right, enough about that. Let's see, I've got the timing set coming up on the Tundra. I'm gonna do some work on my buddy's Pontiac station wagon over here. The old T100, if you recognize it, my buddy wrecked it, sadly, but I brought it back here and getting some good parts off of it to other people. I really appreciate you listening to me today just for a minute about upcoming change. I could have just waited and said something, but if you get a bad headache, don't fuck around. Go to the ER, because that headache just wouldn't go away, and I lost like motor function and shit the night before. It was crazy. Anyway, it was a pretty emergency situation. I'm super happy to still be here. I really appreciate all my viewers, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, stuff like that if you want to. That's how I get paid for my show. I don't have ways. Well, I got super thanks and crap like that, but no Patreon or nothing. But I'm not here to ask for money or support. Just support of my channel. I'll get by just fine. Yeah, kind of a weird video, I guess. I'll go ahead and wrap it up. I'm not going to get up and shut the camera off right away, it don't look like, because I got a sleepy kitty on my lap. Oswald's on the floor over there. They're all just fine. I'm going to be just fine. I plan to go for lots more years. Sorry, I'm not used to just sitting and addressing the camera, but I'm not sorry about that. That's not my show. But there will be a lot more of my show, more wheeling, more wrenching. I'm probably repeating myself a little bit. Should end this and edit this and do it 10 more times until I get it right. But I love you. I appreciate you. And yeah, I look forward to old helmet and zipper head going on here, because I want to protect this beam. I love you guys. Oh, watch it. Get up, buddy. Hey, get a kitty off your lap. Have a super great day.